We must know the truth. We must know the time and ending of this world.
Right.
So that we will be able to fly for our lives as Lot and his followers was. The angels told Lot, Abraham, what they came for. We came to destroy the people who has rejected you.
That's right.
Who has rejected your message. We are messengers of death.
Yes, sir.
For these people. Make haste and get out of here, Lot. Don't look back. Don't be insensitive for the people that we're going to destroy.
Yes, sir.
Even if it be your own family.
Yes, sir.
Make haste and get out of here. Because we cannot do nothing until you be gone. Think over that.
Yes, sir.
I will send thy people from the east, and they shall save you from the west.
Yes, sir.
And he will send his angel with a great sound of a trumpet. He have made me to know what that trumpet is. Why it's called the sound. Because it's a terrific thing that has been fashioned to wake you up. That is capable of even trembling the earth like an earthquake. The Holy One prophesies of it as being so terrific in its sound that everybody will swoon.
Yes, sir.
Except the Muslims,
Yes, sir.
whom Allah pleased to remain sane
Yes, sir.
and without fear, because that is given to them. Those who believe shall not fear, nor shall they grieve.
Yes, sir. Right.
This is entering into the believers here now. We are not afraid,
Right.
and we're not grieving.
Right. Thank you, Apostle.
If our children go from us, we don't grieve over it.
Yes, sir. Thank you, Apostle.
All we want to know is you one of us or one of them.
Yes, sir. That's right.
Take your place on either side you want to. We have a lot of opposition to the truth. Our family sometimes is our greatest enemies. And this is a trial the Holy One teaches you.
Right.
Then the Holy One gives us the answer of Allah. He said, if you think your beautiful wife, your sons and your daughters, your wealth and your fine, well-bred horses
Right.
will save you from Allah, wait and see.
That's right.
Just wait and see.
Yes, sir.
See, will that now help you? This means don't you think now that you can tell Allah, well, these was my children, and this was my wife. I could not leave them. That Jesus makes it clear. He said, if you're up on the housetop, don't even look to take nothing down. Come on and fly for yourself.
Yes, sir. Right.
If you're in the bed, you and your wife, get up and fly for yourself.
Yes, sir.
Don't look to try to carry the other one if the other one don't want to go. You fly for your life.
Right.
One taking and the other one left.
Right.
This is to teach you and acquaint you with the seriousness of this day and time. Islam is here to separate, not here to unite you with evil. You're already united on the side of evil.
Right.
But since that you are members of the righteous, it come to give to you the truth and separate you from falsehood
Yes, sir.
and from those that seek to keep you covered under falsehood. He come to save.
Yes, sir.
to save us. This is a mighty great gift.
Yes, sir.
To save us from the judgment and the destructions of our enemies.
Right.
And as we see today, the enemy is well aware of that. He's doing everything he possibly can to get you and I to go down with him.
That's right. Right.
It is up to you to cleave to Allah
Yes, sir.
and to separate yourself from the enemy of Allah.
Yes, sir.
It is up to you.
Yes, sir.
You want to hold friendship. You want them to think that, oh, no, I won't leave you, while they give you hell all the time. But that's up to you.
Right.
You don't look any better than those who forsook Noah
Yes, sir.
and would not get in the ark with him. You don't look any better than those who would not fly up in the hills from the destruction of Sodom and Gomorrah.
That's right.
You don't look any better than those who fell drowned in the Red Sea,
Right.
who would not go cross with Moses. You don't look any better. And the Holy One asked us that question to the messenger. He said, are your people any better than they? No. A disbeliever is the same today as that one was in Noah's time.
Yes, sir.
They all do the same thing. As you may notice that you who accept Islam, a lot of you have to fly from your homes.
That's right.
You can't stay home with your people.
Right.
They don't like you to be Muslim. They claim they're preaching righteousness in the church. But if you start doing righteousness, living up to that which they profess to be living up to, they hate you.
Right. That's right. You're right.
Tell you to get out of here.
Yes, sir.
Run their teenage daughters out, their teenage sons, because they accept Islam. They come to us flying, telling us what you said to them. But one day you will be following them up.
That's right. Right.
Allah is not to be mocked.
Right.
He don't let you get away with this forever.
That's right. Right.
For it is written that he said in the mouth of his prophets that every knee will have to bow.
That's right.
He's a God that don't allow us to do as we please. Do as he says or nothing.
That's right.
He must be honored. He must be respected as the all-powerful and all-wise one.
Yes, sir.
That he has the power to force the bowing of the heavens to his will.
Yes, sir.
And if he have the power to force the bowing of the heavens to his will, what are you? Who are you to be a little stiff-kneed and stiff-necked? If he says in this Bible that he will make even the enemy, the dragon, the devil, to lick the dust in humiliation.
Yes, sir.
What are you that's following the devil? Who are you? Where your power at to resist it? When your power is in the devil.
That's right.
And if the devil falls itself victim to the power of God, where are you going?
Yes, sir.
The truth of the prophesy of the purpose and aim of God to save us. He comes to save us from his purpose and his aims of destruction of the enemy of truth.
Yes, sir. Right.
Your desire to integrate with white America,
Yes, sir.
that means destruction of you.
Right. Right. Right, dear Apostle.
Any black man or woman want to marry in the white race. They don't love their own race.